are 3 health facts that could save your life. And this is a commonality that I saw in my cancer patients over the years, is that most of them had very poor sleep schedules and their circadian rhythms were messed up. So going to bed at the same time, waking up at the same time every day is really important for your overall health and for prevention of disease. Now let's get to those health facts. So the first one is, in your first 4 hours of sleep, from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. are the most crucial for the repair mechanisms in your body. This is when your body is detoxifying. This is when you're secreting your thyroid hormone, your leptin hormone, which I talk a lot about in my other videos. Really important for longevity and your mitochondrial health and all of that cleanup mechanism. So all the debris and all of that bad stuff, think of it this way, that's in your body gets cleaned up in those mechanisms between that time zone, between 10 p.m. and for a few hours after that. So if you're not sleeping at that time, if you're that night owl that likes to stay up late, this could be compromising your longevity, and that's why this is one of the health facts that could actually save your life. Now, the second health fact is seeing the sunrise in the morning. This is so important for your overall health. This is what sets up your melatonin for sleep later in the day, and you've got about an hour and a half after the sun has risen to really get your eyes. So without sunglasses, ideally without glasses or contact lenses, get your eyes in the direction of the sun. Now, you're not going to look directly at the sun, that's important, but as much bare skin as you can get towards that natural sunlight is going to do a lot for not only your melatonin, but also for your serotonin levels, which is so important for feeling good throughout the day. And my third health fact is that your toxic thoughts are 10 to 100 times more harmful to your health than your diet and your exercise routines. So you may have seen those people who exercise all the time, their diets are stellar, fantastic, they're very, very healthy, and yet they get things like cancer. Well, why and how could that be? It's because of those negative thought patterns that they have, which are far more toxic than what they may be eating and all of that exercise that they're doing. So something to think about. For more tips on how to get better sleep though, please check out my video, How to Fix Your Sleep Guaranteed. I'll see you there.